Okay, we're making peanut butter in the Vitamix. You'll need 3½ cups of peanuts, blanched, salted, or unsalted. You'll need a 16-ounce canning jar. I'm using an empty Earl's Gone Wild barbecue sauce jar. Put the lid on tight. Grab your tamper tool. Turn the machine on. Turn your variable speed up and put it in high speed. Okay, here we go. Use the tamper tool, not pushing too hard. This will take less than 1 minute. Everybody likes a different consistency. The longer you blend it, the more oily it's going to get. The less, the more texture and thicker. Okay, that's it. Your peanut butter is done. Now you need to put it in the jar. I'm using a big spoon. You can use whatever spoon you're comfortable with. You'll need a 16-ounce canning jar. I'm using an Earl's Gone Wild barbecue sauce jar. You should also have a funnel so there's less mess. Again, you can use any canning jar, ball, kern, but if you want really good results, you should use an empty Earl's Gone Wild barbecue sauce jar. Make sure you get every drop. Put the lid on tight. Tom's homemade peanut butter. A tip: buy your peanuts or all nuts in bulk and store them in the freezer. That's it, and have a great day.